Good morning, guys. So I'm doing this on my way. It's almost 7:30 in the morning, and I'm on my way to what is called okay, Gong Hills. So this is my point of view, my POV to Gong Hills. Yeah, I'm now opening the gate. Saying bye. See you there. Yeah, what's the radar? I'm in Gong Hills. This one is Judy. Hi. You can see there are people here advertising their art. Such a nice place. Let's go read the rules and regulations. So, Ngong Forest Block Area 3074. Let's read together. No littering, clamping, use of litter bins, single-use plastic. Unasikia venye nini nalia? Thank God of being fit because girl, tungekuwa tulichoka. It's God's grace. It can only be God's grace. 46. No, just I'm tired. Oof. Here we go. Oh my goodness. It seems like this is the second hill and I am this tired. Lord. But I'm diving the view. Can you see? Pale mbele it seems like the sun inamulika only katikati. Kwa zile wiki. Like it's only secluded as in light inafika tu hapo. That's the second hill and it seems like I've walked 10 hills now. I see people standing over there. Guys, I don't know this is hill number what, but we're still going. Nilikuwa nimechoka but we're soldiering on. Your girl, amechoka. Legs. That's when I had my first heartbreak. I still remember how it all changed. That's a lot of Sana. Don't you worry, Charlie. We're supposed to go that one. Can you see you go? The people. Hey. So apparently, that's the 6th hill. That's the 7th hill. That is why I'm going back to. We shall persevere. For a moment I thought ile ni cloud. Ooh. Mama, we go. Yes. Oh, like, share, comment. We are approaching the end. We are approaching the end. We are approaching the end. The end. The end. Doop, 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 doop. There we go. No more hills. No more hills, guys. Can you see? Can you see? This is supposed to be the last hill. And Mama, I made it. As in, your girl came to Ngong Hills, Naka. Walk all the 7 hills. these stones, they are dry stones, but they could hear the word of God. Ooh, the view, 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 the last view, the last view. Seven Hills, still energetic. Yeah, it's live.
Seven Hills.
Seven Hills!
Kaza Kampala.
Until next time, don't forget to watch, like, share, comment.
Subscribe.
Please, it's free. It's free.
Deuces.